An extraordinary journey begins here.
This precision weighing stage is critical. Exact material control supports the future creation of the highly secure 100. The purity index on batch 7 is holding steady at 99.7%, and the fiber length consistency is well within tolerance.
Utilizing synchronized machines and continuous optimization, this process aligns the cotton fibers, transforming raw material into a controlled engineering substrate.
The purity levels are holding steady at 98.5%. Good, let's maintain the airflow parameters. Adjusting the intake valves now. The fiber density verification process is critical. Sophisticated scanning systems analyze the cotton in real time, ensuring excellence.
Utilizing advanced digital microscopes, technicians certify the refined cotton. Robotic carriers ensure precision.
Inside the stabilization section, the pulp receives precise treatment. Metering pumps deliver specialized
Sensors continuously monitor the flow conditions in real time, allowing automated valves to make precise adjustments throughout the network.
All systems are green. Reactor activity stabilized. Copy that. AI optimization complete. Batch successful.
Stabilized pulp flows onto the wire mesh, immediately transitioning from liquid suspension into the structured substrate for the RM100 banknote.
Below the line, powerful vacuum systems engage. As water is extracted through the fiber networks, sensors ensure optimal moisture levels are achieved for security.
Here in the finishing hall, the substrate moves rapidly through tension control rollers, wrapping around the master roll with
Quality control approved on this batch. The watermark structures are perfect. Ready for secure transfer to engraving. This rendering of Mount Kinabalu retains the security threads accurately. Cross-referencing the watermark specifications now, thousands of microscopic lines form the features of Tuanku Abdul Rahman, each one meticulously checked by digital systems against the master specifications.
Utilizing precise chemical processes, scientists formulate specialized inks. Spectrophotometers analyze color consistency with extreme accuracy.
Utilizing advanced laser alignment systems and machine vision, every sheet is inspected before the first layers of the RM100 design are applied. Here, the first foundational layers of vibrant purple ink are applied. Sophisticated digital registration systems continuously monitor density and alignment in real time. The sequence highlights the extraordinary complexity of the background artwork, utilizing synchronized precision and advanced inspection systems for both beauty and security.
It is here that the RM100 banknote.
This precision engineering ensures the tactile features are perfectly formed, critical for both accessibility and securing the RM100 against counterfeiting.
Talio presses apply immense
to graze. The tactile portrait of Tuanku Abdul Rahman is rigorously checked by machine vision systems. This ensures the integrity of the This advanced holographic security feature is bonded to the RM100 banknote surface, continuously verified by laser alignment systems. The optical variable ink is performing exactly as expected.
Firm's authenticity. We have a pass.
The sequence concludes as the fully secured RM100 sheets receive approval to enter serialization, where each banknote gains its unique identity. Look at this chart here. The alignment verification rate dipped slightly in the last batch. We need to recalibrate sensor 3 before the next run.
Laser alignment systems verify positioning while machine vision cam quality, ensuring every security feature is preserved.
The packaging facility operates with synchronized precision, utilizing advanced robotics and integrated monitoring to track every banknote. The seals on batch 45 are holding steady. Good. The machine vision confirms consistency across the board. Laser scanners confirm alignment as robotic arms meticulously stack the RM100 bricks. Digital dashboards After rigorous machine verification and final security checks, the completed RM100 currency containers are prepared for transfer to the vault. The biometric authentication system initiates the sequence. Only after multiple layers of authorization are verified do the massive locking bolts begin to retract. The National Currency Storage Facility
Container 7 Gamma is authorized for release. Tracking confirms movement towards the distribution hub.
Authentication complete. Next convoy is ready for dispatch.
Bravo 2, confirm seal integrity on Container 47.
Confirmed. Control. All seals verified. Verification complete on batch 7.
Updating the regional reserves now. Distribution schedules are clear for release.
Here are the new series notes for you.
That comes to 45 ringgit.
Here's 100.
Thank you. Here
Behind every Malaysian ringgit is an immense effort, a meticulous process designed to maintain absolute trust in the nation's currency.
It's the Malaysian ringgit, featuring the portrait of Tuanku Abdul Rahman, alongside symbols of its natural beauty, Mount Kinabalu,